Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Anlog token. Ticker symbol is ANLOG. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a huge central exchange listing starting February 10th on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token has a web page, analog.one. So analog.one. Over there you can find Medium articles, Twitter, Telegram, Discord. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over here as usual at OneAnalog on X. They have contact information, start building, use cases, time paper, frequently asked questions, developer documents, careers, media, testnet, grant program, so much stuff on here, the time chain. And it was just announced that this Anlog token will be listed starting February 10th at 11 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token here and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search the ticker symbol ANLOG, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So Anlog is a suite of interoperability protocols built on the Substrate SDK. Analog's vision is to become Web3's premier interoperability hub, addressing both a multi-chain and cross-chain challenges that developers face. So the increasing demand for block space has resulted in a multi-chain ecosystem where each blockchain is effectively a walled garden with little to no connectivity with other blockchain networks. Ethereum and other smart contract blockchains solve this challenge by moving users' data and funds to multiple parallel domains. Examples would be rollups, sidechains, app chains, etc. However, this has created new challenges. In response to these challenges, dozens of multi-chain and cross-chain solutions have emerged. While there is evident huge market demand for these solutions, existing solutions have yet to gain widespread adoption. Most of them specialize in one or two services, and others are poorly architected. Anlog is designed as a secure one-stop interoperability hub for multi-chain and cross-chain solutions that address native dApp development needs. As a natively chain-agnostic protocol, Anlog is well-positioned to streamline the multi-chain experience, allowing dApps and users to expand to unfamiliar blockchain networks. So as a substrate-based network, Anlog adopts the SS58 address format, a substrate standard for encoding account identifiers. This base 58 encoding scheme enables interoperability between Anlog and other substrate-based blockchains, including Kusama and its parachains. Anlog addresses are uniquely identifiable by the AN prefix. So it says you can generate an account with an SS58 address using any of the following supported wallets. So it says, we recommend using Talisman as your go-to wallet, but there's other ones that you could use as well. So Anlog uses an existential deposit ED mechanism currently set at a 1 Anlog to minimize the storage burden on the time chain and to conserve on-chain resource accounts with balances below the ED. They're deactivated from the time chain and their remaining funds are destroyed. This deactivation does not hinder account access. However, the account state is no longer maintained on the time chain, and to reactivate the account and restore its on-chain state, you must deposit an amount exceeding the ED. However, this operation won't restore the destroyed funds, and here's what you need to pay attention to. So it says the Time Chain Explorer does not discover accounts that have never received a deposit. The transaction will fail if you attempt to transfer funds below the minimum ED to an empty account. You can reactivate your account at any time. However, this operation won't restore the previously destroyed funds. And when transferring funds, always enable transfer with account keep alive checks as shown on their document section. If you transfer all or almost all of your funds from an account, causing the remaining balance to fall below the minimum ED, the account will be reaped on any remaining funds and they will be forfeited. And most exchanges have minimum deposit amounts which typically exceed Analog's ED, and always confirm these amounts with your chosen exchange before transferring funds. So that is basically the wallet and account section here for Anlog. Now they do have a multi-sig account section as well, and a multi-sig signature account is a special account that requires multiple signatures to sign. An extrinsic multi-sig account significantly enhance security and distribute control over the account. So you can read more about that if you want to get involved with that. And they also have supported wallet section. I mentioned Talisman already, but you could also use Fearless, Subwallet, Polkadot.js, Encrypt. They have the Analog Testnet faucet. You could check that out as well. Now there is staking. They offer staking here. There's security and audits if you want to check out the security of this information or of this project, and they have the network information on here as well. The network name is the Analog Time Chain. And yeah, ticker symbol, we already went over that, ANLOG, 12 decimal places. They have frequently asked questions. Now, if you're a node operator or a developer, there's their own section there on the documents that you could check out at docs.analog.one. But besides that, this token is getting listed on Mexc Global starting February 10th. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one. If you don't have an account, like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.